This podcast is for educational purposes and does not replace individualized medical care.
Episode 2. The Orchestra. Brain and Ovary in Conversation. Ovarian retirement does not happen in isolation. It happens in conversation. When a 45-year-old woman begins experiencing hot flashes while still having a period, we have to look upstream to the hypothalamic pituitary ovarian axis. Think of it as an orchestra. The hypothalamus in the brain is the conductor. It's a small critical region of the brain located below the thalamus and above the pituitary gland that acts as the main command center for maintaining internal balance, or what is known as hemostasis. The pituitary gland is the messenger. It's a pea-sized gland attached to the base of the brain, responsible for the growth and development and communicating with other endocrine glands. The ovaries are the performers. When they are aligned, the menstrual cycle is predictable. Signals are sent, hormones are produced, feedback is returned, and the system regulates itself. Autonomous. This is biology at its most elegant. Here's the reality. Follicular loss does not begin at age 50. It begins in the womb, in utero. We were born with 1 to 2 million follicles. By the time you enter the menopause transition, only a small fraction remains. Each month, the brain releases FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, asking the ovary to grow a follicle, kind of a bag, and produce estrogen. When the ovary is responsive, it produces estrogen and inhibin. Those hormones travel back to the brain and signal, "We heard you. You can soften the signal now." This is a negative feedback loop. It keeps the system balanced. As the follicle pool declines, the ovary becomes less responsive. The brain doesn't assume retirement. It assumes it needs to try harder. So the FSH rises, and that rise is not dysfunction, it's compensation. This is why FSH is used as biomarker, and it reflects effort. But here's the nuance. In early transition, FSH is not stable. It may be elevated 1 month and normal the next. A single lab value is a snapshot, not a verdict. You may feel off, sleep may shift, mood may feel unfamiliar, cycles may shorten or lengthen, yet the labs may read normal because hormones do not simply fall, they fluctuate. One cycle may produce a strong estrogen response, the next may produce very little. It's not only the absence of hormones that creates symptoms, it's the unpredictability of the feedback loop. An orchestra searching for tempo. Hormones fluctuate before they fail. If you are experiencing irregularity, it does not necessarily mean your tank is empty. It means the conversation is changing. And when we understand that, we move from fear to physiology. In our next episode, we will explore what it really means for an organ to retire and why decline is gradual, not binary.